Hello everyone, welcome back to Lemon Solution. In this video, we'll discuss how you can create a Facebook Business Manager page. So without further delay, let's get started. You must keep in mind that without creating a Facebook business page, you cannot create a Facebook Business Manager page. A Facebook Business Manager page helps you to manage all your Facebook pages and Instagram pages from one place. In order to create one, you need to first go to Google Chrome. Enter this link in your browser search box. Click on Create an account. Enter your business name here. Enter your email address. Click on Submit. You will receive a message on your given email address. Wait for it. Go to the email section, close it, and head to Gmail. Search for the message from Facebook. Open it. Click on Confirm now. Now you have created a Facebook Business Manager page. In order to add people, click on the people option at the top here. If you want to add partners, click on partners option. To request a partner or to add a partner, both the options are given here at the right hand side. To add pages, you need to click on add. If you have some Facebook pages, then you need to click on add a page. Or if you want to request page from your owner, then click on request a page. To add account, click on the add. Here you can create or add account, or you can also request and add accounts. To add Instagram accounts, click on Instagram option, click on add. Click on the option given in the blue box to add your Instagram account or to link your Instagram account with Facebook Business Manager page. In this way, you can perform all the operations or settings with the help of the options given on the left hand side. So this was it. I hope you liked the video. Thank you very much.